The first thing we have to do is start to talk.
Okay, every assembly has its own characteristics.
Many of us, I think everyone has art inside of his own soul, his own heart. And the responsibility of an artist should be to teach, to express, but mainly to be able to bring out give chances to others.
Over the last days and also today, I keep hearing very often the word expectation. And for me, one of the most fascinating things of horizontal movements is the fact that people feel empowered to do. So I really hope that we live the next 2 days with this feeling of like, okay, this is what I would like to take away, and not expect other people to provide it for us, but to be the first to actually do that thing that we would like to see. And I really hope, and from what I understand, this is what we're presented with, that we appropriate the space, that if we want to be talking about a topic, I don't know, we put a sign somewhere and we say we're going to talk about this at this time, or if we want to do an art installation, or if we want to go out in the street, that we all feel that it's our role to initiate these things and not expect others to do it for us.